Now today I take a new question about integral calculus of successive reduction. Now, hello, good morning guys. Today I take a new question about integral calculus of successive reduction. It's about higher mathematics. Now watch this question on the whiteboard. Now successive reduction integral calculus. Now this question is if I of n equals to integral function of 0 to pi by 2 of x times of sine to the power nx dx. Now we have this from this question also. I of n equals to integrating function of 0 to pi by 2 of x times of sine to the power nx dx. That's it. And now watch, this is the n, and here we have two function on this question. So the integrating function of 0 to pi by 2 of x times of sine to the power x, sine to the power 1x also, and the another is sine to the power n minus 1 of x dx. That's it. That's the normal function. That's about. As well we can write it using also I take it the integrating by parts also. So now I write that the by parts. That's it. So using the integrating by parts function, as we have first function and the second function, so write it as about. So minus x times of sine x is derivative also cos x, so that's it, and plus of sine x times of 1. That's, and now that's from the limit is 0 to pi by 2 and minus of this function, so n minus 1 times of integrating function of sine to the power n minus 2 of x. That's it, and this is the first function, and now that's times of also this coming here, so minus x times of cos x plus sin x times of 1, that's sin x of dx whole of dx. That's it, and now that's equals to also we write that as well. Cos of pi by 2 is also 0, and here also sin to the power n minus 1 of x. That's it, and now that's equals to minus of x times of cos x times of sin to the power n minus 1 of x plus 1, and that's 1 times of sin to the power n x, which is also 0 to pi by 2 as well. That's equals to this x, therefore 0 is coming, and this pi by 2 is cos of pi by 2 equals to 0, so 0 is coming from this first. So sin to the power pi by 2, so sin of pi by 2, that's equals to 1, also we know that. So here 1 to the power n, and the sin of 0, that's equals to 0, so not write that. So now n minus 1 times of this function, so therefore write it sin to the power n minus 2 of x times of this function also, this minus and minus becoming plus, and x times of cos x, and also dx is coming, and this sin x, so therefore minus of n minus 1 integrating function of sin of to the power n minus 2 of sin x times of dx. That's it, and now this function, therefore this coming cos of x also, so cos square x and sin x times of cos x. That's it. So therefore this function, the I repeat the last function, so minus of n minus 1 of integrating function of sin to the power n minus 2 into x, which is also x, and the x coming, and now the d of sin x of minus of n minus 1, this function I also write it here. Therefore the second function is also integration of x times of sin to the power n minus 2 of x times of 1 minus sin to the power 2 of x, that's it, of dx, as well cos square x equals to, we also write it the 1 minus sin square x, therefore I write it, and now sin to the power n minus 1 of x, so that's equals to 1 also. Here 1 to the power something equals to 1, and minus of n minus 1 times of x into sin to the power n minus 1 of x into d of sin x, that's it, and the minus of this function. So n minus 1 integration function of x into sin to the power n minus 2 of x into dx, that's it, and this the minus of cos sin square x, that's it. So minus and minus becoming plus, and the n minus 1 times of x into sin to the power n minus 2 plus 2, that's equals to sin to the power n of x dx, that's it. And now that's equals to also, that's it, 1 minus n minus 1 of this the integrating function of x, and this function scamming this function. So therefore I write here as well sin to the power nx by n of 0 to pi by 2, as well this function is 0 to pi by 2, and this function is also 0 to pi by 2, and the 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, and it's also 0 to pi by 2, that's it, and this is also 0 to pi by 2, that's it. And now it's not x, it's also n, that's the limit function of 0 to pi by 2 of sin to the power nx by n, that's equal to, also we can write it here as well from the past function, that's it, and the minus of this function, so n minus 1 times of this function again coming, so I of n minus 2, this is as the sin to the power n minus 2 of x, and the another is plus of n minus 1 of I of n, that's it, and also the question is I of n. So now I of n, and here the I of n is coming, so therefore I of n and this I of n, that's supposed to, also we can write it I of n into 1 minus n plus 1, that's it, and that's equals to 1 minus this function is coming, so therefore, so write it n minus 1 times of 1 by n times of minus of n minus 1 into I of n minus 2, that's it, and now the another function of this factor is minus, so that's becoming the plus, so plus is coming, and now this the minus and becoming plus, so this the plus and minus vector. Actually I forget that at first when I repeat this the question also, so minus 1 and plus 1 is cancelled, so therefore I write it n times of I of n, that's equals to 1 minus n minus 1 by n plus of n minus 1 times of I of n minus 2, that's it, that's the whole question answer. And thank you for watching this video. I also repeat this the plus and this becoming plus, also forget that on this question, please repeat it on at your home. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and never miss press the bell icon as well. This the sign, actually this, so this the answer. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. And this a part of this part is very important, interesting and inversible part of this real calculus. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, never miss press the bell icon as well. Bye, have a good day, and also follow me on Twitter account. Bye.